Hey guys, welcome back to Shep Talk Collectibles and welcome back to another crack packing episode. Today we have 2 packs of Shadows of the Galaxy. If you guys have been watching the channel recently, you know that I went prismatic evolutions hunting and Central Gaming Corps had some packs for Star Wars Unlimited, so I decided to buy them and see if we can get any hits. Now, if you're new to Star Wars Unlimited, or if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, we are looking for showcases, which will be at the front of the card or the pack. And then we do get a foil, but what we're also looking for is that hyper foil, that legendary, those kind of cards. So let's go ahead and see, what do we have? Gar Saxon, Spice Mines. Let's go. I think we got so we got 2 hyperspaces and a foil, which we knew what we're going to get, a foil no matter what. You're guaranteed a foil. So no, and then we got 2 hyperspaces, which are pretty good. All right, let's go pack number 2. Gar Saxon again, but this time the science facility. Ooh, I'm taking that as a hyperspace. And then a foiled. So, Shadows of the Galaxy. We didn't get any big hits, but we got some. We got a couple. We got 3 hyperspaces, which are good. I don't know if we need them. I'll have to definitely look them up. And then we got our 2 foils, which I'm pretty sure we already have these ones. But guys, if you did like what you saw here, please remember to hit that like button. It does help this channel out greatly, and I do truly appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, hit that bell icon and subscribe to the channel, so that way you get notified the next time I open up some Star Wars Unlimited for you. And as well, guys, comment down below. Are you still collecting Star Wars Unlimited? Are you looking forward to Lightspeed? Are you looking for that Carbonite edition as well? Stay tuned to the channel because I'll definitely be unboxing that. But guys, that is all I have time for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.